basmati rice, or most white rice, you need to rinse the rice under water first. So I usually half fill the bowl. I've got about 1.5 cups of rice in this bowl at the moment, and I run the rice between my fingers to get the starch off the rice grains. And in fact I do this process twice. So just drain it out of the bowl, losing as little rice as you can, and then do it again. And you'll see that the water is quite cloudy. So what you're aiming for is clear water at the end of the process. And that will stop your rice from sticking together and being all gluggy. So now, just put enough water in the bowl, and this is a terrific measurement that my mother gave me, so that 1 knuckle deep of water above the rice. So stick your finger in when you can feel the rice. If it's up to the first knuckle in your index finger, there's enough water in it. Now you cover it with Glad wrap and you put it in the microwave for 12 minutes on high. Okay, so the rice is finished cooking for 12 minutes, so just very carefully lift the Glad wrap off the bowl. I have been burnt myself this way before. And as you will see, the rice is beautiful and fluffy. Now if you want to present that in a nice way on a plate, what I do is get a small glass bowl like that, and I put a very small amount of oil, just a couple of drops, and I spread that around with my fingers. And then I fill it with the rice to the top and press it down so that it's a nice compacted, firm feeling, and then you simply tip it upside down onto a plate like that, and you can move it anywhere you want on that plate while this bowl's on top of it. But once you take the bowl off, there's your beautiful dome shape